TV is getting restarted several times. This is Samsung Android TV model number UA55F6400DK. Hello friends, I am Vinod Kenny. Welcome you all to my channel Magiccare Electronics. Restart problem in this Android TV is very common. Today I will show you ways to recover from this problem. Even I tried to update this TV to latest update, but it was of no use. While I was physically observing the power supply, I seen main filter was bulged, needs to be replaced. This type of problem occurs due to two reasons. One is over mains voltage, and the other reason is dry solder in PFC circuit. Before replacing three of the main filter, I have to dry solder PFC circuit. After replacing the main filters, the voltage showing in multimeter is 385 volt. This is okay. Still, this TV had not recovered from the restart problem. Now the other way is to check eMMC and dry solder microprocessor. I have replaced eMMC IC. Originally it had Samsung 4GB IC, now I have used Toshiba 4GB IC. Remember, only this 2 IC are equivalent to each other. Other than this 2 IC number you will get data 6-pin, shorted to ground. Always after replacing eMMC IC, check diode test. On marked data 6 with ground, if it shows short, then that eMMC IC will not work. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, and also hit the bell icon to get latest update on TV repair. Thank you for watching this video. See you all in next video. Till then, goodbye. Call me on my number to get your TV repaired.